Hello everyone, today we will be looking at the Tineco GO Mini portable vacuum cleaner. Now I have been using this device specifically for my car cleaning system and for my desk or here and there vacuum clean runs, because obviously this is a cordless and a portable vacuum machine, so it's not as powerful as your traditional ones, but in terms of convenience and having something at your hands, this is perfect. So in this video we'll go into the unboxing, some settings, the specs, and my overall experience. So it comes in this box where you have the Tineco GO Mini mentioned on the top, and it tells you some important details or pictures on where you can use it. Inside the box you have the vacuum machine itself, the charging adapter, and some guides on how to use the machine and some other details. On the device itself you have two main buttons. The first one is the on and off button to turn the device on and off, and then you have the Eco Max mode. So essentially this vacuum machine comes in two different suction power. At the max level you're getting the full 18 air watts, and then on the eco you're getting anywhere from between 7 to 10 watts. So think of it that on the max level you're getting almost the double the power that you would get on eco. So when you're trying to vacuum something which is light, I would prefer using the eco mode, and then something and places where you need the full power, then go for max. Now you might be thinking that what's the point of using eco mode when I can access max? The issue is that if you're using the device at max all the time, then it's only gonna last 10 minutes since it's draining the battery more. Okay, with that I went to my car and did some testing on it, and here are the results. So first, this is the situation of my car, especially the carpets, because that is where the most dust gets collected for me specifically, and I got this machine to fix this issue. So I started using first in the eco mode to see that how good it does, and to be very honest, I am actually surprised. Even though I did not expect the best performance where my carpet is gonna be just like dust free clean, it still did a pretty good job. It was able to actually suck up most of the major debris on the carpet. Now with that said, it did take some time. I would have to run through certain areas twice or three times, or hold my machine at a certain position so that it can just vacuum it in, but that means that it just gives me more time in general to vacuum. Then we went ahead and switched it up to the max version to see then how the difference is, and oh my god, the difference is very visible. I did not even take like 1 to 2 minutes and everything was just cleaned up. Not gonna lie, I would recommend using it in the max, because at the end of the day, since this is not your main vacuum machine, this is like a portable one which you put it in your car, you keep it in your car, and then whenever something happens you just take it out, vacuum it, and I'm pretty sure that you won't take like half an hour or 1 hour to clean or vacuum your entire car, because that is not the purpose. The purpose is that it's there, it's nice, it's convenient, and you can just vacuum it. Then also I went ahead and used it on my desk, and it was pretty good too. So maybe you can use this to clean up your keyboard or places where it's hard for your traditional vacuum to get into places, so that would make your life easy. And finally, once you're done vacuuming, then removing the bin is pretty simple. You have a button here, you press it, and then it just unlocks, and then you can just throw the dustbin out. Then I used a paper towel to clean up the filter where you have some hair stuck or something like that, and then you can just close the bin. And finally, for charging, on the bottom of the handle you have the charging socket, so you just plug it in, and as per my experience it takes about 3 to 4 hours to get a max charge, even though the manufacturer has mentioned 5 hours, but I don't think that is true. And that is it. So overall I am super happy. It's a convenience at my car which allows me to keep my car clean, nice, or maybe just a room vacuum. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer them.